I have a research project called Fresh Produce, Fresh Start, and that delivers local fruits and vegetables to Head Start families, which is a low-income preschool. Local farmers can deliver boxes and boxes of produce to the school, and then students and I help to pack bags of produce for each family. The bags are sent home on the bus with the children, and the children actually get to bring the bags of produce home to their parents, and that's the most exciting part of the program for the parents, is that the children are like, look, I brought you food, and they're very excited about that. But also the parents write comments every week back to us about how they like the fruits and vegetables, how it's improving their nutrition and eating habits, and it's a very positive program for them, and a lot of them comment that this is the freshest food that they've ever had, and their children are actually excited about eating fruits and vegetables because they get to bring the produce home. So there's a lot of real positives to that program. I work with the Blacksburg Farmers Market. As a board member, I head the education committee, and the education committee puts on events like apple tasting and different events that help to educate the public about local foods. I really decided that I wanted to study food, nutrition for graduate school when I kind of came to the realization that their individual health really is tied to community health, and healthy individuals build healthy communities, and one way to do this is through working with local produce and sustainable food consumption. Definitely, I would say that there have been a few faculty members that have really made my studies easy and really just opened up opportunities for me and pushed me to do different things that I may or may not be comfortable with, and one of those being my advisor, Dr. Elena Serrano, another one being Dr. Susan Clark, Jim Dubinsky from the Center for Student Engagement, but also different community members at the Blacksburg Farmers Market have really allowed me as a student to get involved in the community. And I think with Blacksburg being such a small community, it's been easier to be connected, to the local producers, to the farmers market, to Head Start preschool. And so I think, the faculty at Virginia Tech combined with the size of our community and the openness of our community has really, helped me achieve as a student.